So right here I have a Philips Hue bulb. It looks pretty regular right now, but you see if you go in here and you change this, you can have it change to, well, different hues. And I only have one in the system right now, but I plan on getting more soon. So you can do color, or you can just do like soft white or warm white, and you can dim it as well. So you have it all the way down or full brightness. And there's also different scenes that Philips has as well. So I could do the Savannah Sunset, do Tropical Twilight, Spring Blossom, Arctic Aura, and Nightlight, which dims it all the way down and gives it like a warm white tone. And I made this one myself. It's called Deep Blue. And it's literally just blue but on half brightness. So let's see if I can show you the bridge. It's in another room since I have a little Wi-Fi repeater in there. Because this thing has to be connected through wired Ethernet connection at all times. There is no wireless on it. I think the first generation hub had it, but this is the third generation hub. See down there I have a, can't really see it, but I have a Wi-Fi thing down there. It works reasonably well around the house. I've tested out the bulb in certain locations. I've tested it all the way to this room all the way over here. Works fine, but I've tried testing out in the garage and no avail there. So if you want to do a big house Hue system, you gotta get multiple hubs. So like probably like 2 for a house this size. It's about 2,400 square feet. So here's some pictures with the Hue on, and you can see my keyboard over here. It actually looks pretty good when I have it on specific colors like green or what have you. And as for regular bulb colors like a warm or a soft white, it also works reasonably well. So if you don't want any crazy colors going around, you can always just have it on regular white setting. So aside from the lights, you can also have different things like routines, or if you have it hooked up to IFTTT, which is if this then that, you can do certain things where if you arrive at a certain location, the lights will turn on, or if there's rain in a certain location, the lights will, say, turn blue. I would like to get a video on the rain feature, but we've had some pretty clear weather throughout the past few days, so I don't really see that happening anytime soon. So I have 2 gripes about the whole Philips Hue system. Sometimes it'll lag, even when the bulb is close to the actual bridge itself, and sometimes it'll start flashing randomly. I don't know why it does that, but it does it anyway. And the second thing is that unless you have a light switch for it, like one that you could wirelessly, it's wireless and you can pick it up from Philips or Amazon or what have you. If you don't have that, it's going to be quite cumbersome to turn on and off the lights. You have to go through the app and everything, and I wish there was like a faster way to do it, but that's just how it is. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Maybe in the future I'll do more tests on the Philips Hue, but I'm pretty satisfied with how it is right now, and I'll eventually get more soon. So maybe if I get more, I'll do more videos on it. Anyway, thank you for watching.